Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Kotlin series. So in this video, we are going to talk about strings in Kotlin. So basically, what are strings? As in the previous video, we we are known about the arrays. So basically, string is also an array. How is it an array? So string is basically, as we know, we use some strings, right? We use to print our names, our some lines in string. So basically, string is an array of character. So like, as you know, character is a data type. So string is basically a data type, but it's not a primitive data type. Okay, so it is not the basic ones like the primary data type, we can say primitive data type. So it is not a primitive data type, rather than it is an array of character type. So if you have a character array, so as I can we can have val ch or something ch equals to, so there is a function, as I told you, char array of, if I wrote like this, a hell h e l l o. So this is basically a character array. Now this is hello, and in the string, as if we can write val str, short form of string, we can have string like this. So this string, which is of string type, as you can see, if I hover it here, it will show you the type is string, and this one is an character array. So these both are same. So if I print both of them, if I print both of these, this one, so if I print these things, if I do print the string, which is hello, and the character array, which is also hello, and then run it. So as you can see, the output here, both are hello, the same thing. So this defines you that the the character array and string are the same. So that's why the string is made actually. Now let's play with strings. Okay, so there are many string functions. Okay, so with the string we have some functions. We can also write like this, same thing. This is defined by this is automatically identified by Kotlin, but we can write like this. Okay, now there are many functions in strings, for strings. So there are many properties and functions. The basic property of first one is length. Okay, so what does it do? It will give you the length of the string, which is 1 2 3 4 5. So it will return you 5. So this is for length of string. Now if I'll take two strings, okay, another string. Okay, so this one, let it be some another name, or world, we can say world. Now I took another string which we should name another thing. Okay, now what is this? This is another string. So there are some string functions also to play with strings. Okay, actually there are like maybe hundreds or 40s 50 60 many types of strings. Okay, many types of functions. So if you just write here str dot, then it will give you the list of all the functions, many functions. Okay, so these are many functions which are available for string. Okay, so first the basic one is, first we will start with get. Okay, what is get? So if you pass an index here, so as I told you that get or what we call string is an array. Okay, it is an array of character. So array has indices. So string is also having indices. So string also has indices. So it will return you the fourth index, or what we call the fourth index of the string. So here hello is the string. If I run the program and see the output, we will have the length first and we'll get the string, but we did not print it. So what we will do, we will just write println. Okay, basically before that println, inside that we will define this string. Now so see, you can see here the 5 is the output. Now if I run it again, and let's check out the output and output of the length and the get 4. So here as you can see, O as the last one is the output here, because as we learned in arrays, the index start from 0. So this one is 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, and then the last one is 4. So this was the array get function, or string get function, sorry. Now another one is plus function. So if I write println str dot plus and then another string str2. So what does the string function, the plus function, do is it just concatenates, it just adds. So what if we add two strings, we add two numbers, we will get the result as another number. But we add two strings, we just concatenate. Now hello is another string and string 2 is another, world is another string 2. So we will add both strings so that the output will be hello world. So let's run the program and see the output. So as you can see here, the output is hello world. So this was about strings, another function of string. Now there is also another function we'll learn about is compare. We will use println str dot compare to another string which is world, or string 2 str2. Now let's see what the output here gives for the compare one. So if you see here, this returns 17. So what is 17? There is nothing 17 here. Now what actually the function of compare to is, the ability of compare to is, so it will just compare the both strings. If it is hello, if the both strings are equal, then it will give you the result as 0. If I change it here to, let's change it here to hello and then run it. Okay, let's see what's the output. Now as you can see, the output is 0. So means these two strings are equal or same. So whenever those two strings are equal, it will return 0, and whenever there are somewhat different, anything different, it will return a random number, which is which we don't know actually. That doesn't have meaning, we just get a random number. Okay, as you can see now it returned 1. Whatever it is, it will not return the number the 0, because here we need to have both strings as exact same, then only the compare function will give you 0. So basically like this, there are many functions. Just like this, I'll just give you some another, the basic ones. String dot lowercase, so it just prints the lowercase of whatever string you have. So this one is total lowercase, so if I had capital H, then it would print small h. The uppercase will do the opposite, it will make the small one capital. Now the string index of, if you want to find an index of a character here, so if I want to find the index of E, so I write here E, and it will return the index of E. Now what is the index of E here? 1, because this one is 0, this one is 1, so we will get the index of E. So there are many string functions So I will link down a file below, so where you can find many of the string functions and its properties. So make sure to check it out and play that with that. So this was all about the strings. Thanks for watching this video and make sure to like and subscribe.